Picture this. It's 4:30 a.m. You've slept 3 hours. Your suitcase is 49.9 pounds. The security line is longer than your last relationship, and the gate agent just announced, "We'll begin boarding soon." Welcome to the most stressful place on Earth. Not Monday's Zoom meeting, the airport. Travel is actually ranked among the top 10 most stressful life events. Time pressure, crowds, security, delays, and the constant fear that your luggage has decided to start a new life in another country. So if you've ever considered abandoning your suitcase and starting over in duty-free, this is for you. Let's begin. Let's break down why airports turn normal humans into gate-hovering zombies. 1. Time pressure. You suddenly become a math genius. Boarding is at 7:05, it's 6:14, line is 23 people plus one family with strollers. Do I have time to pee? 2. Uncertainty. Will the flight be delayed? Will my bag make it? Will I be sitting next to a crying baby or, worse, a loud YouTube vlogger? 3. Security checks. Nothing says relax like taking your shoes off in public while a stranger x-rays your underwear. My face apparently screams, "Yes, officer, I definitely smuggled too much shampoo." 4. Crowds and noise. Airports are basically shopping malls with planes, bad lighting, and people arguing with their boarding pass. Psychologically, it makes sense. Unpredictability plus lack of control. Stress. And airports have both on sale, duty-free. How do you know you're airport stressed and not just your usual charming, anxious self? You check your boarding pass every 90 seconds, even though it hasn't changed. Your smartwatch says, your heart rate is elevated, and you're like, I know, I'm in group 9. You power walk the second they mention boarding, even if your group is clearly not yet. You rehearse security like a dance routine. Belt off, laptop out, liquids up. Physically, stress looks like faster heart rate, tense muscles, shallow breathing, irritability, and trouble focusing. Basically, you become a slightly sweaty, over-caffeinated squirrel. Most airport disasters start before you leave home. A few simple things reduce stress a lot. 1. Check in early and know your terminal. Check in online. Know your terminal and gate area before you get in the car. Don't discover it at the last traffic light. 2. Pack smart, not like you're relocating forever. Roll clothes, limit liquids, and keep essentials, meds, charger, headphones, one change of clothes, in your carry-on. If your bag goes on its own vacation, at least you still have underwear. 3. Arrive earlier than you think. If the airline says 2 hours, aim for 2.5. Worst case, you're bored. Best case, you're not sprinting through the terminal like a reality show contestant. 4. Eat and hydrate. Starting travel day on an empty stomach and 3 sips of coffee is asking for drama. Low blood sugar turns minor inconveniences into Greek tragedies. Planning and giving yourself buffer time actually reduces travel stress because it gives your brain back a tiny sense of control. Security, the stress Olympics. This is where calm people go to question all their life choices. Have a security pocket. Put your phone, wallet, keys, and metal stuff in one easy pocket or pouch before you reach the trays. Less chaos, less striptease. Wear easy shoes. This is not the time for boots that require a team and a YouTube tutorial. Slip-ons save time and dignity. Liquids and laptop ready. If your liquids are buried under 3 hoodies and a travel pillow, you are the plot twist holding the line. Knowing the procedure and preparing for it is a classic way to lower anxiety. Your brain loves predictability. At the gate, how not to spiral. You made it through security. Now you either relax or hit refresh on the airline app like it owes you money. Try this instead. 1. Pick a calmer spot. Sit a little away from the crowd if you can. Less noise, fewer stress vibes. 2. Use the 4 to 7 8 breathing trick. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale slowly for 8. Do this 4 times. It activates your parasympathetic nervous system, basically telling your body, we're not being chased, We're just at gate 23. 3. Move your body. Walk a lap, roll your shoulders, stretch your neck. Look like a weird little airport yoga person. You'll never see these people again. 4. Distract yourself on purpose. Podcast, playlist, book, or downloaded show. Doom scrolling delays is not a hobby. Delays. The universe laughs. Delays are the universe's way of saying, you thought you had control? Adorable. To stay sane. Accept what you can't control. You cannot fix the weather or conjure a plane. If you can, please contact the airline. They need you. Control what you can use the app. Listen for announcements. Ask about rebooking or vouchers. Keep snacks and a charger handy. Focusing on actions you can take instead of mentally screaming about the schedule is straight out of cognitive behavioral therapy. And it works. On the plane, final boss of stress. Your seat is small, your neighbor is mysterious, and the kid behind you has discovered the joy of kicking. Quick survival kit. Settle in calmly, bag up, essentials out, then sit. Don't start an armrest war, negotiate or share. Drink water, not just coffee and salty snacks. Use earplugs or headphones as emotional armor. Every hour, roll your shoulders, flex your feet, and look away from the screen for 20 seconds. Small movements and hydration help circulation and comfort, which lowers how stressed you feel. So, airport stress is totally normal. They're kind of designed that way. But you can fight back. Plan and pack smart. Arrive early and eat. Prepare for security. Breathe, move, and distract yourself with intention. Focus on what you can control, not the weather app. Next time your stress level starts boarding before you do, remember, you can't control the flight, but you can control how many times you check the departure screen. May your flights be on time, your seats be roomy, and your luggage arrive in the same country as you. Safe travels.